Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your avatar on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the settings button down below, which is the fifth option. Then click on avatar at the top, click on create your avatar, tap on get started, choose your skin tone, click on next, select your hairstyle. Here you have a bunch of options that you can choose from. After that you can select the color. As you slide to the right side or to the left side, you can proceed with creating your avatar, including selecting your eye shape, selecting eye color, adding eye makeup. You can set your eyebrows, your nose, your lips, you can set your face shape, facial hair, earrings, and so on. When you are done, click on the done button at the top, tap on save changes, and then your avatar will be updated. Tap on next, and here is your avatar. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.